Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Combustion Guys YouTube channel and at Mecum Car Auctions in Kissimmee, Florida. Yeah. And we have got a lot of cars to look at, so it's going to probably be pretty similar to what we did last year, tent by tent search of cool cars. So let's get ready to go looking. Don't forget to check out the merch shop where you can get Todd's cool hoodie that he's wearing right now. And let's get into the video.
Yes.
Alrighty, back into the tent. I'm not sure which tent section this is, but that does look good on that Tahoe. That looks good. So yeah, through another tent section we go. Ooh. Yeah.
See, there is all that to do a walk through.
Yeah. Which that won't take quite as long as this stuff, so. But yeah. There's like so many cars. Ooh, another official pace car. Wow. That's pretty looking. Let's see, Ford. That's pretty. Very, very pretty. Yep, got a new 360 Roadrunner. That's interesting. Ooh. Jeep Grand Cherokee for some reason. Oh, V8 5.9, yeah. Interesting. That's cool. Extended. Oh. Ooh, the Cheyenne 10. That's neat. 350. Nice. Bus 429. Ooh, Fox body two-tone. You can't beat that look. That looks good. This looks like one of those potentially hydro-dipped jobs, potentially. Maybe not. But odd.
This is interesting. You know what they did?
Oh yeah! Look at that little interior. Yeah, the Speedster. Yeah. Huh. That's cool.
So interesting. Cool idea.
Little tiny thing, yeah.
Nash wheeling.
Ooh, don't see Nashes very often. So that's cool. Yeah. Very pretty Porsche right here. Yep. Ah, okay. Very pretty Porsche right here. Just something about these older body style Porsches.
80s or 80s without telling me.
Yeah, exactly. Beautiful.
And that color too.
Yeah, with the wheels, yeah. Ooh, got a Ram. Gonna guess it's a TRX. Yep, TRX pickup. 6.2 liter. Ooh, and Z. We get to see a Z car, a Nismo Z car. Sweet. Okay, so Z Nismo, the 420 horsepower V6 automatic, only 11 miles on the thing. First one we have seen in person. Finally.
Wow.
I mean, the styling is not that bad looking. It looks pretty good.
I almost think they probably should have squared the front though.
Yeah, probably just a little bit.
Maybe done a little bit more of the Mustang.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Because unfortunately it just screams BRZ and GR.
Yeah, and it also screams, we didn't really take a whole lot of time to redesign the front end, so we're using the old front end, there it is.
Yeah,
A
exactly.
bit, so.
Hope you enjoyed them.
Yeah. Ooh, and we got this beautiful Charger RT.
Got your Z.
68 RT, single cutter all the way. Pretty. Very muddy through here as well. Oh, even better with the white. Yeah. See, there's just something about this long block car with single color that I love.
The round taillights.
Yeah, which I don't overly like the round taillights as much. I definitely like that 70 taillight a lot better. 69, 70. But still, beautiful. Oh, the whole thing is taillight. But still, beautiful car. Love these Chargers.
It's almost like metallic red.
Yeah. Because remember, this was my favorite body style for Hot Wheels.
68, see, they hadn't gone to
Yeah.
orange or motors yet.
Yeah. But I just remember like that's my favorite body style of the Hot Wheels that I had. Just loved it.
Those CSX.
Yeah.
That's weird. It's like, you can't get more.
Ooh, got a Demon Jeep Gladiator there. That's neat. Near the Viper. GT 500 over there.
2010 Pilot Club, number 1.
Ooh, that is cool.
There's a bug out Suburban.
Definitely bug out Suburban. Ready to go. Shelby Mustang there, beautiful. And then 2 more Corvettes. It's definitely the year of the Corvette, it seems.
Yeah. And C3 is
Yeah. All right, that's cool. Well, we got some cars in this field over here that we need to go look at real quick. Yeah, and then we'll save that field for a little bit later here. See what we got.
Super 650 horsepower. Tripping cash with 6 speed. C5 brakes. Double reserve. How much is it? 20. How much is it? 20. Back it is 10 pounds out of bed.
Squeeze on.
15 pounds out of bed. Down 15.
So got the Bronco. Looks good. Chevy SS pickup truck. Oop, another Demon Jeep. Yeah. And we got the, what is that?
He's got a chin spoiler on it. That's cool.
Oh, that is cool. Looks good. Oh, there you go. So the flare side Ford truck. That looks good. 1994. That's cool. Yeah. Right. Exactly. Pretty SS. We got 2000. Then 1995 Dodge
The pearl paint.
with pearl paint, with speckles in the pearl paint. Yeah, exactly. Well, I think that's a little bit more than normal, but still, that's pretty. Ooh, nice GMC 1976. Or almost identical to the one that he did give away. That looks good.
That one's got 3 miles and kilometers. That's cool.
Oh wow, that's interesting. Yeah. Looks nice. Ooh, and it's got the little door or ramp thing that you can let down. That's neat.
You got the ramp doors there, and then
Yeah.
the tailgate. Apparently it's Corvette day too.
Yep, and also Corvette. Another Corvette.
That blue one's mine too.
That one's yours? Yeah.
The Z6 is blue and that one is blue.
Yes, another Corvair. Ooh, Land Cruiser with the winch already. That's what, 1987.
That's cool.
Yeah. Yeah. All in black, Silverado 30. Sweet. That looks good.
What you gotta do about that?
Yeah. And got this newer GMC 3500. That's interesting. Not sure why that's here, but it's here. Looks pretty good. Ooh, Thunderbirds. Nice, 2 back to back. Beautiful color. Always love that color in the classic cars there. Ooh, got a Studebaker truck. That's neat.
They make great customs.
Yeah.
And drag trucks.
Yeah. Got a caddy.
Chevrolet, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's a caddy right there.
Nissan.
2-tone Chevy.
Mustang.
Ooh, another one. Yep.
Ooh, the red spoke.
Yeah, looks sweet.
Here, like the 4th or 5th.
Think so, yeah. I think that's the 3rd one with wood, though.
Dijon Mustard C10.
Yeah. Very nice color with the white. It needs the cream, though. With the Dijon, it needs the cream, does not the white.
You can't smell people watching.
Burnt rubber. Yep. The beautiful burnt rubber of 797 horsepower going around the track. Not sure what Dodge is thinking about getting rid of those, but hey, still cool. Oh, there you go. Neon green stripes. That's pretty.
You will not got to see that.
Mm-hmm.
But oh, this is what I was seeing. What's the story on this?
This
That's
vehicle?
the stock color. I hope it wasn't the stock color.
I doubt it. I think there's some other story about it with the person that's in there. Is that who it is? Brittany?
I don't know. Maybe. No, I think it's somebody else.
I have no idea who that person is.
I have no idea.
Yeah. Don't really care either. For someone who knows, they will care. I don't know, so I don't care. Yeah. Ooh, that's pretty. Beautiful. Very nice. I think so. Got some Mercedes, we got a Saturn over there. Got some oldies here. It's pretty cool. Looks like Ford. Yep, 2 Fords. Oh, those already been sold and stuff. That's interesting. Let's see, Dodge. Which one's this? A Dodge Polara, 1964. That's not a name that I'm familiar with very often. Pretty looking car though. Nice hood scoop. Beautiful Challenger noises in the background. Stingray, we got the Cosworth twin cam Vega. Ooh, and we got a very pretty looking Chevy Bel Air coming up. Thunderbird looks good. Nice Porsche. Ooh, and oh, that is a cool looking Hudson. And 55 Chevy 210. Pretty looking car. That's pretty. I like that. And check out the Hudson, Todd.
Get a more aggressive drive with the
Hudson Hornet. What year is that one? 1956? Yeah.
That is cool.
That is a pretty looking car. Nice.
Up, down, over. It's right here. Squeeze.
And in line 8, I believe, right? 1, 2.
Or 6. Maybe 6. I don't know.
Yep, 6. Just 6. Only 6 spark plugs. Nice. Original engine. That's cool. Absolutely, absolute no reserve. That's cool. The Lincoln Lawyer. Interesting. So. All right, all right, all right. Yep. In the black. Yep. Ram Charger with the two-tone going on. Nice looking interior.
That was stock. It looks good.
Looks great.
You know what I need is some brass monkey wheels. Oh,
Yes.
Just think if we had the brass monkey wheels
Yeah.
for Challenger and small tone.
Ooh, Tennessee whiskey runner with the barrels included. Beautiful looking truck.
Diamond team.
Yeah, that's a pretty looking truck. Ooh, the Jamboree Jeep. That's cool. The 4-wheel drive. That's cool. Willie's Jeep pickup. That's cool. Bronco Ranger XLT. Ooh, and Ranger for some strange reason. Not sure why that's there.
This Ford's cool. I like it. They look like
Yeah.
wheels.
Yeah, the wheels look good.
Orange Suburban. Cool.
Mm-mm.
Ford SRT10.
Yep, GMC.
I think these had the automatics, but when they first came out with the single cab, it was the 6-speed.
Oh, okay.
Those are pretty nifty.
Got the Chevrolet 3100, very nice looking truck. Nice.
The Islander.
That's different. Ooh, Miami Vice. KC Daylighter.
Why is that there?
Wow. Yeah. Jeep Renegade. Yep, that doesn't make any sense why that's here, but okay.
Dodge Stealth.
Yeah.
I did see a Mitsubishi 3000 GT. Oh, a Cutlass Aeroback.
Ooh. That is a good.
Some neat stuff here.
Got another Chevy 10 in the blue over there.
Stuff looks nice.
Yeah.
Indianapolis Cobra.
78th anniversary. Annual.
Corvair.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sweet. Now we're back to the entrance.
Cadillac.
Rumblebee. Oh, not walking through there. Over here. Over here, over here, over here. And back through here. Ooh, Monte Carlo.
This has a motor in the front.
Yep, I see a radiator.
Oh, it's got a turbocharged super engine up there.
Ah, that's cool.
That's fun.
Yeah. Got the white Monte Carlo, pretty wheels on that. Ooh, yep, 2+2. That's pretty. Another Monte Carlo.
Good shape. Wow.
Really good shape.
No wonder it's so. It's a pretty example. That's some wall gas.
And more Corvettes. Yeah, something gas-wise. The Bradley GT thing. That's something else.
Not very many of the 90s Impala SS's this time.
Not really, no.
This. Very good.
Yep. Two-tone with the chrome. Wheels.
To blend with that lower trim.
It does. That's nice. Yep. That looks good. What? Only what?
150,000 miles.
Oh wow, that's not bad. Nice.
Nice one.